Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Here is Sarah. See, we've walked our way up. Finally remembered to turn the camera on. We've been playing blocks for sure already, and done a few problems, and now we're starting to get the hang of it, right? Okay, but notice how we're doing it without blocks this time. Okay, so what I have is 3 and 1/12 minus a half. And we have worked very hard on figuring out that I don't need to make it into 24, do I?
Mm-mm.
What am I going to make it? What am I going to do? What kind is this?
12.
So what's the 1?
6.
Okay, good.
Yeah, on the denominator.
Right, denominator. Is the denominator going to be 6?
No, come in.
Can I, how did you turn 12 into?
No, like the 2. Remember, you told me that.
Yeah, I do remember telling you that. So what do I have to multiply by over here to make them same? What was the name of the game?
The same as the name of the game.
It's the same as the name of the game. So how do I make this same? You're just about to make them 6s. How did I turn that into a 6?
Oh, 12.
Yeah, so you should probably make 12 the, right? Oh, now what? See, I told you, do you need to make it 12? Then you'd have 24. Then you're going to be too big. Great, I'm glad we turned the camera on. So, what can we make these same? You said 6. Why don't we make it 6 over here?
Oh, okay.
6 over 6. 6 over 6. Make that look like you're going to multiply just the top by 6 over 6. Alright, now, what does that give you down here for a common denominator?
Oh, erase that.
What does it give you for a common denominator? Uh-huh.
Oh, there.
Did I have to do anything to that one?
Okay.
Excellent. Excellent. Now, too big.
Oh, this one.
Right? It is, right? Because I cannot take 6 12s away from 1 12. Well, I could, it would be negative, but I have some over here that I can borrow. Right?
So it's 2.
Yeah. And what kind of 1 am I going to add to it? Right, so we're not just going to make the rule add the denominator. That's silly. Okay, so what do you get? Excellent. Now can I do it?
Yep.
Yep. Right, what does 6 want to be? 4. She added the 4 to the 3. Got 7. If you know how to do subtraction. If you don't know how to do subtraction, watch the subtraction video. Makes it super fast and easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now am I done? Or did I forget some stuff about, how many did I have over here?
2.
Yeah, so you would put the 2 in there for your answer.
Okay, 2. 6.
Wait, can I do anything to that 7 12ths? She's trying to reduce it. I can see it. Can I do anything to that 7 12ths?
Yeah.
Can I?
Mm-hmm.
What are you going to multiply? What goes in? What multiplication table are these both on? 7 and 12.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What number can go into both 7 and 12?
Oh, 3.
Can 3 go into 7 evenly?
Oh, 1.
Okay, 1 could go into both of those, so what's the answer going to be? Why did you change that? I don't know. Why did you change it? Alright, enough. Stop. Alright, so what we see is lack of understanding. I had 3 and 1 12. I took away a half. In order to take away a half, I had to make them same kind. So I borrowed 1 out of here because I didn't have enough. So here, let's go back to make that 1 12. Make that 1 12. Now draw an arrow, it goes down. 12 12s. Because I borrowed 1. And you put right over here, borrowed 1. That should be an O. Okay. So now I add these two together. Put a plus sign there. Put my dots over here so I know I'm doing multiplication. I'm going to put all the symbols in. Yep. Alright. Now, rewrite that again. There you go. Now, what do I have there? Where did that 2 come from? Why is that a 2?
Oh.
Oh, because of this. Right?
Yeah.
So where should it be? There. Why is it 3?
Mm-mm.
Why did you put 3? Alright. Okay. So, give me the equal sign. Oh, we got chips. And what?
Oh, 2 going 7.
Mm-mm. Can I reduce 7/12?
No.
Well, then just write 7/12 and we're done. Alright. You have to be able to know when you can reduce and when you can't. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. See how it works?
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I was you, I would take this and write notes very carefully in your notebook about how you do it. Because we've done 1, 2, 3, 4 of them now. This is the 5th one. And you're still having a hard time. Okay, but we need to understand, what are we doing? We're taking this away from that. And in order to do that, we have to make them same. That's the name of the game with fractions. Right? Rather than multiply, be lazy and make this 24ths, I could just do the 1. Right? Do a little bit of thinking there. And then I have to borrow out 1. So I could do the whole thing. Because some people will make you try and do this whole crazy thing. They'll make a much harder way to do it, where they make you turn this into 37/12ths, and then you take away the half. And to me, that seems like a harder way to go.
The old style, right?
Yep, that's the old style. This is the new, improved, easier version. Alright, Crewton Ramone's House of Math. For more, there's Sarah writing them out carefully. Okay, sure, get in there. Alright, so the very next problem. The only thing that I had to help her with is she was going to try and change this one. But then I said, just think about it. Do you need to change that one? And then she realized, no, she needed to change that one. And then after that, she did the whole thing. Right. No problem. Right. Okay? So, again, not rote memorization. First we start off with blocks, then we get rid of the blocks. 3.5, take away 7/8. So, a half is smaller than 7/8. So we have to get 1 out of here, right, to make it so that it's bigger than 7/8 so that I can do my subtraction. And then once I get over here, I have to remember the 2 from over here, right? Now, another way you could write it is you could put over here 2 and 12/8, and then you wouldn't forget, right? Because really that's what it is 2 and 12/8. You took this one over here. Let's make one more step. Bring me your pen. So we took this one over here, and really what we said is that I have 2 and 8/8. That's the same thing as that 3, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, and I wish I had the camera on her face so that you could see. Yeah, okay, she sees it. And then over here I have 2 and 12/8, which is the same thing as 3 and 1/2, just written in such a way that we can do the math. Right?
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Don't shake your head.
No, but she's smiling. I can tell on her face when she gets it, and when she doesn't get it, you can definitely tell on her face.
The blank look.
Right. Okay. So there it is. See how it works? Okay. Can we do another one? Let's try another one. All right. Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Oh wait. Here, you can write it over here. Quickly. 2. The answer is 2 and 5/8. Excellent. Because see, it's true. Once you understand the concept, all I can do is change the numbers. Alright, so now, what was the name of the game?
Same as the name of the game.
Same as the name of the game. Made them into 28s, right? Alright. Now, can I take that 20 away from that 7?
Yeah?
Really?
Oh, no.
So what am I going to do?
Oh, -7.
Hmm?
Oh, talking to Chris.
Mm.
Cross this out.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
That's good because that's going to be the, right? Very good. Okay, good. You added that 1.
Okay. Go down there.
Yeah, what am I going to get? 28. Right? Now we need to be able to add. The subtract is going to be super easy over here.
Okay.
35 minus 20. Interesting. Really? If I take 2 away from 3,
No,
I
cross
get
the
2?
1 out.
What's 35 minus 20?
Oh.
Yeah, oh.
What?
What? What's 35 minus 20? You had it right. Why'd you erase it?
Oh.
Can you do anything to 15/28?
No. Leave the same. Oh.
Well, it was 3. Okay, good. There you go.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Ken.
There you go.
There's nothing you can do with that.
Nothing you can do with that. Good job. So we wind up taking 4 and a quarter minus 5/7 is 3 and 15/28. Right? Now, could we do these with blocks? Absolutely. Could we draw pictures of it? Actually, we should probably draw a picture of this one. Just for fun, I'm going to draw a picture. Okay. Alrighty. So I made a little drawing, and then we got the thing out to really bring it home. So we had 4, and this is my 4 units, or 4 things, and a quarter of 1. That's supposed to be my quarter, right? And then over here I had 7/8, or 5/7, right? 5 out of 7. And I was very careful to draw. I made that 7 parts, and I colored in 5 of them. Now I had to take away those 5/7 from that quarter. Oops, but I couldn't do it, right? So here it is. Here's my quarter, and there, if you look carefully, you can see the 5/7, right? So really what you did, like I said, is you multiply by 1, and you multiply by 1, right? Bring home the concepts. Multiply by 1. So now they're both same. We've got 28 here and 28 there. But look how many more 28s. We've got too many 28s over here and not enough over here. So what we do is we borrow out of that one right there, right? Because there's 4 of them. We use our imagination, and we're going to wind up with 35 28s. These 7 and 28 more. Right? So I fill up this whole box, and I'd still have 7 more there. And when I take away these guys over here, so right, I have this whole box filled using my imagination. I filled up this whole box, and I have these guys right here. Right? So I take away these guys, and that's when I took away 20 right here from my 35 using my imagination. Right? You see that? Look at her face. Right? You can see. Okay. Right? That's the I get it face. Okay. Because there's another face that's the I don't get it face. All right. So then I have, right? So I have my 35 here in my imagination. Take away my 20, and I wind up with 15. Right? So then that I did this part, and that was the 15/20ths, and I had those 3 left over here. Right? There they are. See how it works? Now you know what I would do if I was you? Draw this picture. Put it in your notebook so you can look at the picture and see what it means. And not just that, right? This is why the symbols are so much faster than doing all this drawing, right? But you need to understand what it is you're doing. And then once you understand the concepts, all I can do is change the numbers. You understand that the name of the game is to make them same. You understand that sometimes you have to borrow a 1 to make it work, right? Sometimes we have to reduce when we do subtraction. And that one was super easy, but sometimes we can use our happy technique with subtraction to make it go faster, right? Where I just use the add end and do small addition instead of big subtraction. And boom. Right, so it all comes together. Okay. Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Oh, what was the final answer? 4 and 1/4 minus 5/7 is the same thing as what? Here, you read it. 3. There they are. 1, 2, 3. And 15/28. Done. Beautiful.